guys, and welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. I hope you guys are doing great and you are all staying safe and staying out of trouble. Please don't go out if you think it's not really necessary, and I know this will pass. This is going to pass. Everything will pass, right? Let's just pray and have our hopes that God is going to take this misery away from us. So guys, I miss you guys so much. It's been a while since you saw this face, right? The ugly face. It's been a while. I know, I'm just joking. So guys, today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe. I make my flaky shortbread recipe. Guys, I know you guys are going to love this recipe and you are going to give it a try. And thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me. And you all should know that I've been watching you guys. Even if you don't see my comments under your videos, I watch you all. Always know that even if I don't see your comment, I believe that you guys also watch me. Without wasting much time, let's get into this recipe. And please, nobody should talk about my weight gain. I know I've gained weight. Yes, I have gained weight, and there is a reason. So it will just go down. This weight is not permanent. It's something that will go. So don't worry about it. And it's not bad to gain weight anyways, but I don't want to gain weight, so it will just go. I'll know what I'll do, and then this weight will just go and I will come back to myself. But for now, I still believe in myself. So thank you guys so much, and let's get into this recipe. I'm talking too much, right? It's all because I miss you guys. I miss everybody so much. Did I talk too much? Did I talk too much? Don't talk about my cheeks. So here in a bowl I have my flour. So what I have in there is all-purpose flour. Guys, I will leave everything that I'm using in this recipe in the description box below, and I just added in some sugar. I will leave the ingredient with its measurement in the descriptive box below, so please do well to check it out. I just added in my butter. The butter was at room temperature. So here what I'm going to do right now is that and I added in some salt. It's about a half teaspoon of salt. I just, with a clean hand, I'm just going to mix everything together. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to just mix everything together so that we will have a nice dough or paste. So this is it. And guys, you don't have to work it too much because we are looking for something like a play-doh. Though that texture, we are not going for like gummy like dough. No, we are not going for some gummy like dough. The dough has to be just flaky. So that is it. So you don't have to knead it too much. And guys, don't worry about my fingers and everything. If you know if you bake, you know this is part of baking. If you are using your hand, it will just be all over your hand. So I'm not worried about it, so don't be worried. I'm just being real to myself. I won't go and wash my hands and then come just for the camera. I'm just being real to myself. So here what I have, what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to just flatten the dough, and then I'll put it on my baking pan, or you can just go ahead and put the dough on your baking pan. Use your hand to just spread it out like you are doing making your pizza or something. Yeah, that is it. So anyway, any of them goes. So here I have my pan, and if you have your cooking spray, you can just go ahead and spray it, baking spray on the pan, or you can use parchment paper, but I was out of both. So here what I'm doing is that I'm just spreading some oil to it, and then I will just sprinkle a little bit of plain flour to it, and I'll bring my dough on top of it, and then we will just continue. So that is what I'm doing. So right now my pan is all done, so I just went ahead and then brought my dough to it, and I'm just trying to use my hand to just spread the dough, yeah, on the pan with my hands. As I told you, I say you can just spread it using the the rolling pin, or you can just spread it using your hands. Doesn't have a formula, but if you want it really smooth, you can just do it. So it doesn't matter. So here what I'm trying to do is that I'm just trying to cut the dough into like bite sizes, so that we can just go ahead and bake. And I'm using this spatula to do it. You can use anything that you have. It could be a knife, or anything that have like sharper ends that can cut it through. So now this is how I cut it. So what I'm just trying to do is that I'm just trying to use a fork. You can use whatever. I'm using a fork to just make some holes on top of it. This helps it to cook from inside, and also help to help moisture not to build under it. So this is it. So here what I'm doing right now, I'm going to bake this for in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes on 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. But guys, I ended up baking mine for I think 43 minutes. So it depends on how thick. I think my shortbread was a little bit thicker, so it took a long time. But it don't have to be in the oven for so long, and your heat don't have to be so high. If it does, it will become so hard. So this is it, and we are all done. My shortbread, it's all done, guys, and it was so yummy. And hey, if you have vanilla essence, you can add a little bit to it. So this is it. It's so flaky. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.